So, ito yung 3 meters wire na binili ko sa shop nyo na hindi gumagana. Okay, so here's the video showing that this is really not working. Okay, so let's start with plugging in the television and the TV Plus. Okay, so right now I'm still using the old. Yan, old. Kasi maiksi lang siya. It's just 1.5 meters. Ayan. As you can see, naka-on na si TV Plus. So, i-on natin ngayon si TV. Hold on. So, i-on natin si TV. Okay, so as you can see, it is properly working with the old wire. Okay, so this time, replace lang natin siya nitong 3 meters na binili ko sa shop nyo. Okay, so start tayo dito. Hanggang natin yung old. Then, saksak natin yung bago. So, katulad nga nung nireklamo ko, maluwag siya. As in maluwag. Madali siyang isuksok, matalim bunutin. So, maluwag siya. Okay. So, this time, connect natin itong tatlong jacks sa likod. Ayan. So, ito yung yellow. Ayan. Tanggalin natin yung red or yung white. Palitan natin. Then, yung red. Ayan. So, properly connected na siya. So, again, ito yung 3 meters na wire. Ayan. Connected na siya doon. And, when you check, ayan. It says, no signal. Walang signal. So, I really need a refund for the product that I bought na defective and hindi gumagana.